Good morning, people. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees, and we're over here by Dead Fence, and this is hive number 445. Dead tree, a single 8 frame deep, and I've got on the top to add a box because I need a bigger box. So we're going to do that today. We're going to even take the top off. Show you how we do this. Take top off. Set it over there. Come on, girls. This off. Set it over here. Take their feeder off. Set it over here. No bugs. No bugs. Okay, now we're going to take a look, see at this one. Okay. We got another box over here. And we're going to checkerboard this one with maybe. This one here has some nectar, some pollen. That one has some nectar and some pollen. So we may put it in the top, we may put it in the bottom, but right now we're going to put it in the top. Just because. We'll find a place to set that. Take this one. This one here has some eggs, some larvae, some brood, a little bit of nectar, a little bit of honey. We're going to stick it in the top. Stick it right there. Take this one. We got this frame right here, 6 1/4 inches. Is wax, got lines in it, store bought. We're going to stick it right here on the outside. Did I show y'all this frame? I think so, Sam. Let me show it to you. This one here has brood and eggs and larvae on it, both sides. We're going to split this kind of like what I do in the springtime. We still got some pretty good weather right now. If they build the foundations out, that's a plus. If they don't, I don't think it's going to get cold enough to hurt anything. This one here has some brood, has some larvae, has some honey, has some nectar, has some eggs. Queen's not far away. This one here, same thing. Good looking little frame. We're going to set it right here. Here has eggs, brood, larvae, nectar. They look healthy. Good looking little frame. Put that one over there, and we're going to set this one right here. We're going to take this one here, which is a wax frame, store-bought, and we're going to put it here. How's all this going to work, Sam? not sure, but we're gonna give them a shot. We're gonna take this one. We're gonna take this one here and put here. Take this one and put here. Dog is over there whining because he jumped over the rail and can't get back. I haven't jumped immediately to go over there and fix it. This one has some honey, some nectar, some brood. A very young egg, so the queen may be on this one. I don't see her. That's new foundation they're building. If you look right here in the middle, you got a bunch of bees festooning, which is building a foundation down, and they're going to connect all that together. But we're going to leave it right where it's at, right here. Poor baby dog. This one here has brood, honey, larvae, nectar. I don't see very much pollen in here. Not enough to do what they want to do. That was laid up. We're going to put it in the top. Where we're going to put it is right here. We're going to take this one, which is one of our frames with the fishing line, and put right there. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's 8 of them up there. Now we can take this one, put here. Don't really want to do that though, Sam. Put this one. This one has brood, larvae, a little bit of honey, not much. We need to feed this girl. This one here too, still don't see the queen. We're going to stick it in there next. Then we're going to stick this one here that we made, the fishing line, and put there. We're going to take this one. And we don't really know how they're going to react to all this, but I think they'll do pretty good. We feed them. This one here has some pollen, some honey. Side over here has the same thing. Looking good. Bottom still looks good. We're going to put this one here. This is called checkerboarding, people. This is the way we would do it in the springtime. But it's late in the fall now, so we don't know how they're going to react. But they got goldenrod. And they have very little pollen, so we're going to give them some pollen. You don't want to give them too much. But you want to give them enough, because that's where their vitamins is coming from this time of the year. We're going to give them a couple. Peppermints, how about that? We haven't been doing much peppermints lately. I don't know if it does any good, but I think it does. We haven't had an abundant amount of beetles. So, we're going to take this one. They're over here eating their pollen already, so that means they needed some. that there. Y'all know the beetles, or beetles, the working bees, the foragers that goes out to get the nectar and pollen and all that stuff. If they don't have a good pollen flow like we've got right now, they say our pollen for the allergies comes from grass, same thing as goldenrod, but I don't know the name of the bush, but it's goldenrod. One other little one, but that's about it. But that doesn't give them all the vitamins they need to raise the babies. You wouldn't want to just give your babies something that may not have all the vitamins in it. You want them to grow strong, and that's what we want to do. So we give them pollen. You don't give them too much, that way the beetles won't take over. Maybe. No promises to anything here, people. This is honeybees. I'm not going to try to get it as close as I was the other time either. Get that there. That there. Get their food dish. Make sure there's no bugs in it. No bugs. There we go. I don't think we even saw the queen, did we? You got to get around the top and then they fall in and won't blame me for drowning. Okay, got that. Put their anti-sinking stuff in there so they got a place to get out, or a way to get out. Put their feeder ring back on. Rest their flotation in here. Put it right there. And that's them people. Hive number 445, dead tree. Hope y'all enjoyed that. If you did, let me know. If you didn't, let me know why now. And just give me a thumbs down, don't tell me why. Can't fix it, we don't know what's broke. We're gonna see how they're doing. We'll check them in a couple of weeks, see how they're doing. Y'all have a great day. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. Give us a thumbs up, comment, share it, and subscribe. Tell your friends about us. Y'all have a great day. Bye.